what is time? I mean, actually, what is it? If I asked you to draw time, you will draw a clock. But that's not it. Clock is something that we have built in order to measure time. Time is something which we still don't fully understand. Understanding time is the key to understand relativity. But time is the reason why you grow older and older. You cannot stop that, right? Or can you? Hang on with us until the end to find the curious answer to what is time and other theories built up by various scientists to understand it. So before we start, press on that subscribe button and hit on the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. So let's start. So how can we distinguish the past, present and future? In 1915, Albert Einstein published his general theory of relativity. In this extraordinary theory, he explained that laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers. This explains when a car driving past you, you will interpret the passengers inside the car traveling at the same speed as the car, since their speed is relative to your position. If you are a physics student, you might have already learned this. Meanwhile, inside the car, the passengers feel stationary, since their motion matches the car's motion relative to the outside world. Einstein's theory of relative motion could be applied to any object in this whole universe except one thing. There was an exception to this. What is that? That's light. Light always moves at a constant velocity. These two ideas led Einstein to realize and combine both space and time, which is known as space-time. He told that passage of time can vary between two observers according to how much faster one travels more than the other. Which means if one person is traveling at the speed of x and the other is traveling at speed of y, time can differ between them. By the way, the fact that different time zones exist are enough proof that your watch and someone else's watch are different. We all humans from the past are allowed to understand time as a universal thing. Humans have organized time to make sure everyone are on the same page and we don't have any issues related to this. And time is a convenient tool to keep track of past, present and future. But you will begin to confuse when you get to know that past, present and future could exist at once. Poof, what about that? When you look at the sky, you may be able to see Proxima Centauri. After the Sun, Proxima Centauri is the closest star to Earth, and it is about 4 light years away. And you must realize that the light you see from the star is light which emitted 4 years ago. If this gigantic star exploded, we would know it after 4 years. That's because the speed of light is constant no matter what place you are on the universe. And another mind-bending thing which you need to know is that when you move closer to the speed of light, the slower the time flows for you. Concluding all this information, what can I say you is that past, present, future can all exist at once. So is time an illusion? The illusion of time is crafted by our memories, our experiences and upcoming events, which helps us organize our lives into a neat sequence of events and move forward. For example, you wake up, you brush your teeth, you eat your breakfast. Those are the sequence of events which you are used to do every day. But depending on the speed which you are traveling and where you are at the moment, that sequence of events can tumble upon. This is all for the explanation of time. Hope you wasn't hallucinated. Okay, never mind. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.